Welcome everyone. This is a demonstration module, in which we shall give you a few glimpses of the various modules from the course Safety of Electrical Installations.
Here are the topics covered under the interactive course, Safety of Electrical Installation. Let us see an audiovisual representation of one of the modules.
Now let us consider the fires that start due to electrical reason. The first one that we consider is sparking. Whenever two electrical conductors with different potential touch each other intermittently, sparking is observed. You must have observed such arcing in day-to-day life. If fire load in close vicinity of electrical panels is more, it can catch fire and the situation may turn into a larger fire incidence.
What is fire load though? Well, fire load is the material stored near the arc location which can catch fire easily, such as paper, wood, etc. You must have frequently observed a control room with an electrical panel being conveniently used to dump or store material simply because of the available space. If such material is inflammable and is present in a large enough quantity, then it certainly invites accidents in the future.
Now, let us see the updated electrical safety standards and legal provisions.
You may encounter these standards often or decide to follow them to ensure electrical safety. CEA 2023 Electrical Safety Guidelines IS 732 Safe Wiring Practices IS 3043 System and Equipment Earthing ISIEC 62305 Lightning Protection Systems IS 5572 Classification of Hazard Areas IS 7689 Safety Against Static Electricity IEEE 519 Current or Voltage Harmonic Compliance NFPA 70E Electrical Safety at Workplace NBC National Building Code NEC National Electricity Code IS 18732 Guide for Implementation of Electrical Installation Standards EN 50160 Voltage Characteristics of Public Distribution Systems. The Bureau of Indian Standards and IEC now have a formal arrangement, so IS can use IEC standards without any modification. If we follow these standards and create and maintain an electrical system complying to relevant standards, we can ensure that employees are working in safe working conditions while using electrical systems. Now, let us look at some requirements as per these standards or codes covered in this module.
The modules are accompanied with quizzes, which will help you to reinforce the topic at hand. You can test your own understanding of the topic by answering questions at the end of the module.